way I use my walk, I'm a woman's man, no time to talk. Music loud and women warm, being kicked around since I was born, but now that's alright, that's okay. You may look the other way, you can try to understand the New York Times effect on man. Whether you brother, whether you mother, you staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city's breaking and everybody shaking now, staying alive, staying alive. Ha, 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 staying alive, staying alive. Ha, 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 staying alive. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Stayin Alive by Bee Gees. I'll show you how to play it one full step higher than the original because that way it just fits the ukulele way better. And also I'll be doing it on a high G string ukulele, so grab yours and let's go. I'm going nowhere, somebody help me, somebody help me. Alright, the most important part of this song, in my opinion, is the riff, and also the song starts with it, so let's start the tutorial with it too. Okay, the riff is over the chord of G minor, alright? I'm grabbing the G minor like this with the pointing finger barring on the first fret the E and A string, middle finger on the C string second fret, and the ring finger is doing this hammer on here. So we start with the E string first fret and hammer on the third, okay? And then A string first fret, and also I'm not letting these ring, they are very short notes, okay? And then E string first fret again, C string second, and then we have this open hammer on to second to E string first fret. So, and the second time. Alright, so we start from open C string, hammer on to the second fret, E string, and then open C, second fret of the C string, E string first fret, third fret, A string. Alright, so together. One more time. So the intro starts with the same thing. And here, C, back to G minor riff. You can tell, and we go to the verse. You can tell by the way I walk my walk, I'm a woman's man. To F, back to G. And the strumming I'm doing here is something like down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Alright, something like this. You can't tell by the way I use my walk, I'm a woman's man. No time to talk. There's a cloud and women want to get around since I was born, but now. And here we go to the pre-chorus, which starts with C. Now that's alright, that's okay. You may look the other way. And we have more C, but I'm grabbing it up here, just different voicing. You can try to understand New York Times effect on man. And we get to the chorus, which basically is a lot of G minor, but I'm adding some elements here and there that I'll try to point out. So we start with the first part, which is basically, I'm just trying to follow the lead melody of the lyrics. Whether you were brother or whether you were mother, you're staying alive, staying alive. And how I'm doing this, I'm grabbing the G minor chord and down, up, down, up, down with the melody here on the first fret of the A string. And then I remove the pointing finger, up, down, on the open A string, and then up, down again, focusing on the G string or on the E string third fret, trying to avoid the A string basically. and then removing the ring finger, and with the pointing here on the first fret of the E string. And here, Stayin Alive is with the hammer on. Okay? Whether you brother, whether you a mother, you're staying alive, staying alive. Till the city's breaking and everybody's shaking now, staying alive, staying alive. And here on the second part, again it's G minor. You can just play G minor, but if you want to step it up a little bit, you go here, playing the G minor as E minor. From the bottom to the top is 5, 6, 7, and G string open. And then with the pointing finger, grabbing the G string on the 5th fret. Then the normal G minor. And then the G minor with open A string. And then Stayin Alive. Again, the hammer on thing on Stayin Alive. Stayin Alive. And then again. Stayin Alive. And here we go to F. Back to G minor. And ending it on D minor. Getting back to the main riff. And then we have another verse, another chorus, and after the second chorus again we get back to. But after the riff we go to the bridge, which is basically a lot of C. I'm going nowhere, somebody help me. And more C, but I'm grabbing the second variation of C right here, and with the pinky I'm adding something. This little walk. So while grabbing the bar C, I'm putting the pinky on the 5th fret of the A string, then removing it, then the pinky on the 6th fret of the E string, on the 5th fret then, and then I'm going nowhere, somebody help me, somebody help me, yeah. One more time. I'm going nowhere, somebody help me, somebody help me, yeah. And after that we have another verse. Actually the first verse is repeated one more time, then another chorus, and after the second chorus we go again to this bridge part, which is also outro at this point. The second time you do this is outro and the song fades out. So yeah, as a matter of chords, the song is super easy, but if you want to add all the elements that I just showed you, it will take a little bit more time, but it will sound way cooler. So I hope this was helpful for you. It will be easier to learn this arrangement, this song, if you have the printable in front of you. You can get it from the link in the description. Thank you very much for doing so, and thank you for watching this till the very end. Make sure you hit the like button if it was helpful, because this helps us a lot. And I hope to see you on the next one. Goodbye.